It is entirely possible to use Z.AI's flagship agentic coding model, GLM 5.2, at absolutely no cost directly within OpenCode. Does avoiding Z.AI API keys, skipping subscriptions, and not paying for tokens seem unbelievable? Cloudflare Workers AI provides 10,000 neurons, their processing units, completely free every day. Z.AI's premier agentic coding model is GLM 5.2. First, it runs on Cloudflare Workers AI. The official documentation confirms you receive 10,000 neurons, their basic processing units, every day at no cost. It refreshes daily at exactly midnight UTC. However, this does have limits. Notice how exceeding the 10,000 neuron limit causes future requests to fail with errors, meaning you must upgrade to the worker's paid plan, which costs $0.011 per 1,000 neurons. When you are experimenting or creating minor projects, having 10,000 neurons is completely sufficient. To begin, launch your web browser and visit Cloudflare. Go ahead and sign in if you're already registered. As a new user, you can quickly register by linking your existing Google account. First, sign in. Next, find the sidebar. Click on AI and open AI models. Next, this opens the Workers AI model catalog, allowing you to explore every single available model. Next, look up GLM 5.2. First, notice on screen that Z.AI labels this as their premier agentic coding model. It handles both reasoning and function calling. First, just click here to test it inside the playground, our safe sandbox, before linking to OpenCode. Next, I will type a quick prompt or text instruction, simply saying, "Hi, as a front-end developer, I'm considering a transition into cybersecurity. Please map out a clear study schedule for this." Notice how the system processes and analyzes everything you need in seconds. Next, we will create a detailed study plan to help you master cybersecurity within a year. First, notice this step-by-step outline. This is your roadmap, which is a highly realistic guide to follow that includes a structured weekly learning plan. Next, we'll link this to OpenCode. First, we need to install the OpenCode software. First, visit OpenCode's official site, opencode.ai, to find the installation command or setup code, which I'll copy right now. Open your terminal, the text interface, paste this command and hit enter. This fetches and sets up OpenCode on your computer. First, we open our project directory, meaning our main folder, and use the terminal, our text interface, to launch OpenCode, an open-source AI coding agent. Watch me do this now. Notice how it launches the OpenCode TUI text interface. An excellent move. Next, we will integrate OpenCode with Cloudflare. Next, type the /connect command and hit enter. Next, OpenCode prompts you to choose a provider. Next, select Cloudflare Workers AI from the list or search for it. To start, you'll need to enter your account ID. To retrieve this account ID, head back to Cloudflare. First, locate Workers AI in the sidebar. Then click the REST API. Your Workers account ID is located here. Next, just copy this, return to the OpenCode interface, and paste it right here. Next, enter your API token, a secret key. Next, select Create API Token. First, type a title like OpenCode GLM. Then click the Create button. Next, copy this new token. First, keep this token, your digital key, secret. Never share or upload it to GitHub. A compromised token allows unauthorized users to consume your neuron quota. Now insert your generated token here, hit enter, and excellent work. Next, every selectable model is displayed right here. First, look up GLM 5.2. Next, highlight it, press enter, and you're done. I'll enter a test prompt or sample command to verify it works. First, let's prompt it to code a basic task tracker using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Notice how the software automatically begins creating the code and building those source files for you. That procedure lasted about 3 to 5 minutes. So I will now inspect the outcome. Watch it run flawlessly. Notice how this basic task app lets you easily add, complete, and remove items. Impressively, we built it completely free using GLM 5.2, an AI model, running directly on Cloudflare's free hosting tier. First, we will examine the total token count needed to build this to-do app. Here are the different practical use cases. Tracking your neuron consumption is also possible. First, return to Cloudflare's Workers AI dashboard to see how many neurons, the basic units measuring your AI processing, you used today. Notice on screen, my testing consumed roughly 4.96K neurons, meaning processing credits, safely staying under our 10,000 daily maximum allowance. Notice how surpassing 10,000 neurons, the internal credit, halts any new requests until the midnight UTC reset occurs. Please remember that switching to the workers' paid plan is an option if you need extra capacity. This free tier or zero-cost plan beautifully handles small testing projects but has strict limits. You will need the premium tier for demanding professional workloads. Notice how utilizing the Cloudflare Workers AI free tier lets you run GLM 5.2 inside open code without any subscription.